White House one, the package that was addressed to the White House, also contained projectiles. So clearly this is a growing situation here, certainly scary now when now we have at least 4 suspicious packages which all appear to be linked, now sent to various political locations. You have the White House, you have addressed to Barack Obama, Hillary Clinton, and George Soros. So obviously this is growing. Certainly the FBI, Secret Service, all over this. We're told that more people are being brought in to investigate this, and the FBI's Joint Terrorism Task Force is taking the lead on this investigation.
Listen, that's significant. These are no longer suspicious packages. The FBI is saying that they were rudimentary but functional. That means they were explosive devices. And to have projectiles, I mean, that's a... Excuse me, that sounds like a fire alarm here. We'll keep you posted on that. But to have projectiles, that is a feature you will often see in bombs that terrorists use in Afghanistan and elsewhere. ISIS has used that kind of bomb before. It doesn't mean it's exclusive just to those kinds of terrorist groups, but that is a significant development. Tom Fuentes, if you're still hearing us here, they're connected now. The bombs targeting Soros, Clinton, Obama, and the White House. The FBI says that they were functional. How significant?
Well, it's significant that it wasn't just a hoax then. If the bombs are capable of exploding, they're capable of, inflicting bodily harm or death on somebody. So it's more than just sending a hoax just to get, public attention, the equivalent of pulling a fire alarm, like maybe somebody just did in your building. But if it's an explosive device, it's more than just an idle threat or something to try to get attention. It's an actual device that could hurt somebody.
Okay, we're going to jump in. There's a fire alarm here.
You might have heard it in the background. We're going to find out what the latest is
we'll be right back.
at CNN. We're going to be right back.